When you open the USB, and you will see the first one is manual book, and the second one is the DMX Workshop. This is the software for testing. And you can see this is the IP setting software, and this is the manual book. Now I make a video to show you how to connect the controller to the computer. And this cable connect to the controller. And this NAT cable connect to the controller, and the controller connect the power cable, and this direction connect the DMX cable to the pallet. Firstly, you need to click this item and open the control board, and you will see the NAT setting, and you will find this is wireless, and this is the internet, and you need to turn off this function firstly, so you will use this one to connect the controller.
Set以太网 IP 地址
Set the internet IP address.
V4 版属性，使用二段 IP 地址。
The IP address you need to set start from the two.
源码255.0.0.0。
And this second one is 255 and 000, and this one will be empty. Empty, no problem.
确定。
Confirm. And you open this software, and you can see the manual book, DMX address, and this is the software for IP setting.
搜索设备。
Search the hardware, and you will find the hardware found. The device is founded.
首页 IP 配置，默认。
The IP type you will see this is start from 2, and this also can choose start from 10, but the standard is start from 2. You can see this number is 235. This one will be okay. But please note this local IP, this number should be different to the controller IP. If you make this IP 100% same to the controller IP, you will find the computer and the controller no connect.
第二页
The second page.
端口设置，只读输入输出端口模式，域合并模式，刷新率。
第一个 mode
端口输入输出模式，盒子上面面板设置，打上面输出，打下面输入。第二项 Artnet 域。
And the first one I want to explain, because you can from this control board panel you can see this is out and this is in. If you put these two white plug to the out position, and the signal transmit from this direction and to this direction. If you make it to in, the signal will transmit from this direction to this direction. Please note. So the standard is out. Standard position is out. Okay.
在输入模式的时候，可以设置
你说一下那个 universe 干嘛的？
Universe 是 Artnet 域嘛 ，Artnet 域区分网络上的数据包。
它0到255有什么区别？
0到255就相当于256条线路，独立的 DMX 线路，它的信号是互不干扰的，每个域的包括512个数据包通道。然后在输入模式下，可以设置单播或者广播模式。 默认是广播，就设置单播地址。也就是它要发送给电脑的 IP 地址。
When you open your computer, you will see the computer IP start by 2. This is no problem. And this one no need. Only need the first one, the second one. You will see the first one 2011. This is no problem. And second one 255.00. This also no problem. And keep. After you keep the computer IP address, and you need to open this software to check the Artnet controller IP address. Open this one. After you open the software, you will see this position and this position. You need to click the search. This position. Choose this function. After you click the search function, you can see the Artnet. The device is founded. See the IP address here. Start by 2 also. You need to make this position same. The controller IP is start by 2 and the computer IP need to by 2 also. But the controller IP and the computer IP cannot be 100% same. You need to make it a little different. This is 234, 162 and 103. But the computer IP is different. Make this position different. Do not make it the same. And now you click this controller, and you can see the device name, device hold time, display holding time, and IP type. Start by 2. Start by 2. And you can choose this position start by 10, but the standard by 2 is enough. Okay. And the second page is setting. You can see this mode. Mode is output. Output means the signal comes from the computer by the NAT cable to this controller, to this position, and the signal go outside to this position. See the position. The signal transmit direction. And you can see here have a red button. This to choose out and in. If you put this port to this position, to the in position, and the signal will transmit by the controller to this position and this position to outside. If you push to out, and the signal comes from this direction and go outside to this position. This is very important. And this is universe and merge. And this is the speed for the signal transmit. The standard is 35. If you want faster, you can set to 40, but 35 is enough, because if you set to 40 or higher, maybe your device receive the signal have problem. And this universe you can set the standard is 0 and 1. 0 is DMX 1, and universal 1. Universal 1 is DMX 2. This is two different line. DMX 1 and DMX 2 means 0 and 1. And you can choose. You can change this number. You can change this number when you control the light. Now let's open the DMX Workshop software. Load list, and you can see the first one is Artnet 2. And choose this one. You can test if your controller connect to the computer. And you can see this means the universal 1. And you can see this is universal. This is DMX 1 and DMX 2. This is to control these two port different line one by one, not together. For example, this is the DMX 1. This cable is for this power light, and this DMX 2 for this power light. Now let's check check this setting. For example, if you choose the universal to 0, means the software control this light, the first light. If you choose the universal to 1, means the DMX 2 cable control this light. Now we use this software to test. For example, now we choose the universal to 1, means we control this model. Now let's change the color. You can see the color change. This is RGB 4 color. RGB 4 color. Now we change this universal to 0. Change to 0 means now we control this first power light, DMX 1, this position. Now let's change the color. You can see the color change. You can use this is 4 channel. This is 4 channel. You can change the color, so you can test if the Artnet controller connected to the computer. This is universal 0. This is universal 1. This is 2 different directions for the signal. You can use the DMX Workshop, this software, to test. Click this bar, click this one, can test if the controller connected to the computer, and click this one, transmit, can have this control panel, and you can change the color to test